Run your own storefront on Format. Don't compete for attention in a crowded marketplace. Attract and keep your audience's focus with a curated storefront connected to your own portfolio. Format's store tool makes it easy to create and run your own custom shop. Supplement your income by selling products, services, and digital downloads with zero commissions from Format. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your store, add products, and track sales, all in one dashboard with no coding required. First, select your payment processor, Stripe or PayPal. Whichever you choose, Format takes zero commissions on store sales, so your profits stay yours. Payment processing fees will apply from your selected payment method. See Stripe or PayPal account details on processing fees. Within your store settings, you'll find top-level customizations like store name, currency, and status, where you can set your store online, offline, or private with password protection. Strategize further with branded sales notifications. These bespoke messages accompany automatic order confirmations and shipping updates, reinforcing your brand in a direct and personal way. Now you're ready to set up your shop. Format's online store supports all your creative endeavors. Sell physical products like sculptures, paintings, prints, buttons, zines, totes, t-shirts, jewelry, books, and catalogs. You can also sell digital products like software presets, digital tools, ebooks, and digital prints. You can also list services like consultations, workshops, deposits, and fees. You choose the categorization for each product so your store options are limitless. Start by adding a store product. Assign a name and product availability. Pick from unlisted, coming soon, available in store, or sold out, and change it anytime to reflect your inventory. Add a product image, as well as up to 5 additional images, your product name and description to fully showcase your product's details and selling points. Organize further by adding product options like size or color, and then quantity. For quantity, you can set products to limited or unlimited. Limited is a great option for things like editioned prints. Once you've added products, you can utilize collections. Collections allows you to create groups of items within your store, such as separating workshops from physical prints. Manage your orders. Format makes it simple to manage your physical and digital product inventory. Your store's order tab is where you can reference essential info like purchase numbers, dates, and earnings, as well as track order status, pending, completed, or canceled. You can export all of this data as a CSV file. Incentivize purchases and reward customers with custom savings. Create promotional codes in the Discounts tab where you can set percentages or flat amounts off and choose if the sale is store-wide, item-specific, or dependent on an order minimum. With Format's online store, you're in charge, and that goes for fulfillment and shipping of physical items. Add prices for shipping based on destination, countries, or regions, as well as whether your products are mailed alone or with additional goods from your shop. Your creativity cannot be contained, and neither should your earning potential. Maximize monetization with a custom shop that plugs right into your portfolio. Set up and start selling in your online store today. Thanks for choosing Format.